It wants to do something so bad they can't stand it.
They're going back this way now.
Look at that right there.
Look right here. Look right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's gonna touch down.
Nah, it'll stay in the clouds.
But it is pretty cool to watch.
I could totally do this for the rest
What's
of
this building on the
I'm
side?
not kidding. That's touching down.
What's that building on the side, Lori?
That's a tornado.
I don't feel any wind. We should feel wind.
I feel wind.
Oh, that's something's going on right there.
Yep.
That looks like
You see that?
tornado.
Look right here. Do you see it?
We're gonna be those people that get killed because we thought this was really, really cool.
Look at this. Look at all the air being sucked back inside.
Yeah.
That's about to touch down, homie.
Look at it just pulling that.
This is so
Look at it pulling
cool.
all that air underneath.
I wish I was still in school so I could show my science teacher how much I'm learning.
I wish the cameras could do it justice. I don't think they can.
Mine is.
Guys, I really think we...
Can you see it?
I can see everything.
Pulling back underneath.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
We totally are. I'm totally digging it.
We're what?
Getting ready to boogie for the bathroom.
Are we?
Go look in the...
Guys,
No,
I don't
there's
wanna
no
go in the
alarms.
bathroom. I want to watch it.
There's no alarms.
We're totally rednecks.
Speak for yourself. I'm not a redneck.
Homie, I could be a redneck.
I am not a
watch this
redneck.
all day.
Look at it. Look how fast it's pulling back inside.
Yeah. You should see
we please
how
not-
dark this is. It's right over us.
Dude, call Michelle.
Ah!
Go,
No,
Michelle,
we are
grab my
watching.
phone and I'll call her. Call her. Come here. Call her and talk to her.
I'm like, Michelle, as we speak,
There's
As
a
we
tornado
speak.
building over our house.
she's probably going to be like, get in the house.
We're rednecking it. Can you see the? Can you see the
Yeah,
clouds
I can see
rushing back?
everything.
You feel
It's going to be south of us, though.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, but
definitely
it'll-
going to be back here.
Where will it build to?
But it can.
Yeah, but it could come straight this way. Look at how fast all of this is.
Yeah, look at all. It's sucking all that air back outside.
How dark it is south of here.
I know.
Holy Hannah.
Go grab my phone so I can call Matt.
I got mine.
Are you
Just call
gonna?
Matt.
Guess what?
Are you gonna tell him to take cover?
Yeah, tell him.
As we speak, there's a